Hey guys, Antonio here with the movement code. We're going to be going over a variation of our McKenzie extensions. This is for those that may not have the arm strength to do this, and or for whatever reason, when going from a press up position, you just can't let that lower back release. We're going to be in a quadruped position here. Hands are going to be slightly a little bit further forward than our shoulders. From here, all we're going to simply do is shift our weight forward and let our hips drop towards the floor. Notice this is the position we nearly finish it in the press up. Okay, we're just going to start from the top down. So we start here, shift forward, come back up. We still use our arms to basically press ourselves out of that and don't lift with our back. What's also nice about this is you can go into like a very short child's pose rock and then forward, so you can go through a lot more of that passive range of motion to loosen things up. Okay, now typically when we prescribe these, we're flexion intolerant and or extension feels better for us. So we don't want to push too far into that prone position. Start with just those drops in the recommended prescription, okay? These are going to be our prone or quadruped hip drops.